show you something we taught for our weekly West Coast Swing class here at Nick's. First time ever taught. First time ever shown. So hope you like it. Hope you use it. It starts out as a whip, but not the basic whip count variation that you're used to. It's different. So you're going to start out, you're holding her right hand with your left. You're going to take your right hand and go 1, 2. So I'm going to take my right hand, go underneath the hands that are connected, and connect with her right wrist. 1, 2. After the sugar push, triple, and go 1, 2. And that actually, I'm using this hand to turn her to her left. So we're going to get into that after the 3, 4. So after this sugar push here, we're going to go 1, 2, 3, and 4. She does her normal turn, okay, but this time, she's actually turning to her left. So 1 sugar push, 3 and 4, 5 and 6. So 1, 2, 3, and 4. And I'm coming around her left side with my weight on my left foot on 4, her weight on her right foot on 4, just like a regular whip. Okay, but it is a little different how you lead this, guys. So you're going to go 1, 2, 3, and 4. Let's go front to back so you can see how I can get into that option. Move off the track to her right. So 1, 2, 3, and 4. And I'm going to pick up her left hand low. Normally it would be underneath her left arm. Don't want it this time. I need it for the next part. So 1 sugar push, take the hand. So 1, 2, 3, and 4. Now when you pick up her right hand with your left, you can also pull her forward on her right foot just in case she's unsure about what's coming, because it may feel a little odd for her as a follow. But the next part is 5, 6. So we're going to add 5, 6 to this. So 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6. So I'm going to move towards her, going by her right side. She's going to go past me. There's a lot of energy there that we didn't use because we slowed down. But on the sugar push, you're going to feel it now for 5 and 6. So 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6. You're right in the middle of something that has a lot of energy. We kind of stopped. The next part is 7 and 8. Basically, it's a rock and go. But we're going to get to the next triple and then end it. So 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. It was hard to see because I was kind of, my back was to you. So a little bit this direction. After sugar push, get into this arm. So 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Weight on her left foot, I'm weight on my right foot, and it's a rock and go. And then all you're doing from there is giving 2 triples. So on a sugar push, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8, triple, and then you're finished. Okay, let's go this direction so you can see that. So guys, stay off the track the entire time. So 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, rock and go. Let her go. Move this down. Okay, front to back a couple times. This is a very cool move, but that 5, 6 is important. We'll pull her forward on 4, 3, and 4. Pull her forward. Rock and go. Let her go. Triple step. Last direction. We're done. So 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, rock and go. Triple and triple. It's called up and over. 3. We have 2 others. Brand new 3. So we hope you like that. It's a really cool move. It's a different way to get into it. You can do the basic whip to get into it that way, but we added a little more fun elements to it to begin with, just to tie it all together. Thank you, my dear. Thanks, guys. Please remember to like it. Please remember to subscribe. Free video next week. Weeks after that. Hopefully yours. And until next time, as always, keep dancing.